the guy. Because why we go like this? Soldier blow, soldier lapa. Barrack lapa. But we have a different in the barrack. So man say, for the meantime, Ohanaeze like my deputy, acquire a political organization or a social cultural group. No, purposely from Kwado. And the constructive criticism, I did that say, as in the last 2 years, Ohanaeze said, he paid them on the hand. But so far, I can for this 1 month and the 3 days, like that, what is young so do not talk and say, I just said, man say, I say, like a doing, if I have you as the chairman, I'll come with my group. Anything, I'll do chairman, before your co-chairman. Also, man say, okay, just leave the rest. I leave there to support you. And no there's a whole lot of credibility. The essence is that they do grassroots, but some they deal community leaders into their own extent, the opinion holders. No one ever has really been and I crossing, but Ohanaeze actually I support and then we will continue supporting you. You may recall that from our own secretary, the president, on behalf of the whole Ohanaeze, a letter. To that extent, the chapters we are not bound to do that, or it's only have to come from the president. So on that behalf, we have a physical acknowledgement, like I just told you, that we are with you and we will not be with you. Then the last part that we will not go without letting you know some of our problems. La ID22, the number, then I was going to 24. Actually, we're new leader and woman wing. But that one, thank God, I lost 2. So we are now 20. Oh, we still pray there. For 18 months, our predecessor, actually, we don't know what. Maybe because of the chairman or whatever, I don't want to go into that. He never did that. Or any dolphin, or Roomba, or people on KKK, we say okay. As it is. But for these 2 months, we got our own stipend. You just see your life, and is it not true? Yes, true. So I say, Chair, we are with you. Fine and good. It's an appeal, open appeal to you as the chairman. It's within your own discretion. But we appreciate you for the 2 months, and we'll keep on appreciating you. I will keep on supporting you. For anything, please call us. If it's maybe project commissioning, if they call Ohanaeze, it's a form. That you to encourage you. You're a young man, and I'm telling you, the way you started. I remember the comment you made during our campaign. That's the best local government. You do it, and we started seeing it. There's progress. So give Zibike. Ohanaeze Ndigbo.
Udemwa, Nzubemwa, Njitomwa, Oloyemwa, Ntobamwa, Fasi Atalanta, Odigade Kwamba, Faji propaganda.
I want to start by appreciating the fact that God has led all of us to this council peacefully. I'm sorry on behalf of the past government, which I was part of at the time before I left. And my son from that government brought me to this place. So I believe in destiny. So it is our time to get our place working again. And I hope that Ohanaeze Ndigbo should please give us the best support. This is our government. As a member of the Ohanaeze Ndigbo, this is our government. I'm the chairman of the government. Chief Ozebo is the chairman of Ohanaeze, which I'm now a member by my induction today. So it is our government. Thank you.
You guys can come over and look at the executive chairman of Aninri. Maka Mr. Chairman, I am very, very happy for giving us your time out of numerous schedules. And like our chairman, Sibepo, never committed to help your government succeed in whichever little way, I am including advising you when necessary. So, after no job, I want to have so you do well and succeed across grace. So I make an thank you for this opportunity and